Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today what I'd like to show you is how you can actually hook up an analog turntable or a digital turntable or a CDJ, run it through your Rane One mixer, and also be able to use SERATO Scratch Pro at the same time and switch on the fly from analog to digital turntables right within the software without having to reboot the software. And I'm going to show you that right now. Right here on the back of my turntable, I actually have the option to switch from line to phono. Keep in mind, if you're going to be switching over to phono, you have to make sure that you have this ground wire connected. Now, the ground wire also is going to be going to the back of the Rane One controller. So right here I've got my master out, which is running to my amplifier, and then right here I've got my line in. Now you can set it to phono or you can set it to line. Alright, so now that I've shown you how to hook up the turntable into the back of the Rane One mixer, what I like to do is show you exactly how it works in real time in the SERATO software. Alright, now I'm going to show you how easy it is to switch from the turntable back into the Rane One mixer. If you want to switch between line and digital turntables within SERATO, you actually have these switches right here, which you can actually switch on the fly. So if you just switch it over to line, you can actually now initialize the turntable on either deck 1, which is the left deck, or if you come over here, you can go over to line, and now your analog turntable or digital turntable will actually be on the right side. And within SERATO Scratch, it'll actually show you through. All right, now that we got everything set up, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it sounds with the turntable running through the Rane One mixer. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the turntable, and SERATO will recognize that I turned it off, and we're gonna go right back into playing with our Rane One. All right, hey guys, pro tip here. Whenever you're switching into vinyl mode or line mode, you gotta make sure that you adjust your gains because the sound quality from your phono or your line coming into the Rane One mixer is very low. That's it, that's the end of the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit that thumbs up.